हेलो दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लाइफ प्रोसेसेस के चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करेंगे। इसमें सबसे पहले हम लिविंग थिंग्स के बारे में जानेंगे। ऑल द प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स आर लिविंग थिंग्स। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया जो ये डिसाइड करता है वेदर समथिंग इज़ अलाइव और नॉट इज़ मूवमेंट। ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स मूव बाय देमसेल्व्स without any external help. The characteristics of living things are: living things can move by themselves, living things need food, air and water, living things can grow, living things can respond to changes around them, living things respire, living things can reproduce, living things can excrete. Now, what are life processes? हर वो बेसिक फंक्शंस जो हर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म परफॉर्म करता है जीवित रहने के लिए, उसे लाइफ प्रोसेसेस कहते हैं। द बेसिक फंक्शंस परफॉर्म्ड बाय लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स टू मेंटेन देयर लाइफ ऑन दिस अर्थ आर कॉल्ड लाइफ प्रोसेसेस। द बेसिक लाइफ प्रोसेसेस कॉमन टू ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर nutrition, respiration, transport, excretion, control and coordination, growth, movement, and reproduction. Nutrition involves the taking of food inside the body and converting it into smaller molecules which can be absorbed by the body. Respiration is the process which releases energy from the food absorbed by the body. Transport is the process in which a substance absorbed or made in one part of the body is moved to other parts of the body. Excretion is the process in which the waste materials produced are removed from the body. Control and coordination is the process which helps the living organisms to survive in the changing environment around them. Growth involves the change from a small organism to big organism. Movement: the organism either moves from one place to another or moves its body parts while remaining at the same place. Reproduction involves the making of more organisms from the existing ones so that organisms could live on this earth forever. The next topic is nutrition. First of all, what is nutrient? A nutrient can be defined as a substance which an organism obtains from its surroundings and uses it as a source of energy. The various nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins and mineral salts. Carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients which are used by an organism mainly as a source of energy. Protein and mineral salts are nutrients used by an organism for the biosynthesis of its body constituents like skin, blood, etc. Next, nutrition. Nutrition is a process of intake of nutrients by an organism as well as the utilization of these nutrients by the organism. Next, modes of nutrition. It means methods of procuring food or obtaining food by an organism. There are mainly two modes of nutrition, that is autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic is the mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water present in the surroundings with the help of sunlight. And autotrophs are those organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water. The autotrophic organisms contains the green pigment called chlorophyll, which is capable of trapping sunlight energy. And heterotrophic is that mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make their own food from simple inorganic material and depend on other organisms for its food. And heterotrophs are those organisms which cannot make their own food from inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water and depend on other organisms for their food. There are different types of heterotrophic nutrition. They are saprophytic or saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. First, saprotrophic or saprophytic nutrition. It is that nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants and animals. And saprophytes are the organisms which obtain their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Example, mushroom. Next, parasitic nutrition. It is that nutrition in which an organism derives its food from the body of another living organism called host without killing it. And a parasite is an organism which feeds on another living organism called its host. The host can be a plant or an animal. And the example of parasite is roundworm. The last, holozoic nutrition. It is that nutrition in which an organism takes the complex organic food materials into its body by the process of ingestion. The ingested food is digested and then absorbed into the body cells of organism. Example, man, cat, dog, etc.